joint venture simply means two people combine resources to buy a property. When done properly, both partners benefit. In most beginner joint ventures, there are two roles. The money partner. They typically provide down payment, mortgage qualification, and sometimes renovation funds. Then there's the working partner, who typically handles finding the property, analyzing the numbers, coordinating the purchase, managing the renovation, and managing the property. Profits are usually split 50-50, but every deal can be structured differently. Most people think they need wealthy investors to partner with, but many joint venture partners are simply people who have savings but no time, want exposure to real estate, and trust someone who understands the process. Common places investors find partners, friends and family, professional networks, real estate meetups, and business owners. The most important thing is this: you must understand the deal better than anyone else in the room. That means knowing the numbers. Before bringing a deal to a partner, you need to analyze purchase price, renovation costs, rental income, mortgage payments, expenses, and the expected return on investment. If you can't explain the math clearly, investors won't trust the deal.